10 signs to know if your partner is financially responsible. Hello everyone, Roan Celis Capistrano here of 1 Million Club. Yes, Mrs. Capistrano na po ako, and I'm so blessed to have a husband who is very responsible when it comes to handling money. In fact, my husband helped me in creating this video. We want to help single people in choosing their partner. It is very important that your partner is financially responsible. First, he doesn't withdraw on payday. I'm a former finance manager. Ang daming nagtatanong sa accounting ng ganito. May sweldo na ba? Ibig sabihin, wala ng pera ang nagtatanong kasi kailangan niya na mag-withdraw agad sa ATM niya pag payday. Sadly, pag payday, ang haba ng pila sa ATM. If you are financially responsible person, you don't withdraw on payday. Kung ang tao nagbabudget ng maayos, di siya kinakapos. Second, he is interested to learn how money works. A financially responsible person gives time to attend financial seminars and reading books about investments. He believes in the value of financial education. Third, he is not an impulsive buyer. Okay lang bumili pag sale, pero ano ba ang binibili ng partner mo? Need niya ba talaga yung binili niya or want? Fourth, he knows how to say no to his friends. Madalas pag-usapan sa office, puro pagkakagastusan. San iinom, san gigimik, san kakain. Wala namang masama dito kung kaya ng budget. Kung maliit lang ang sweldo, a person should learn how to say no to his friends. Meron kasi akong kakilala, mukha siyang mayaman. Pero nung nakausap ko, wala daw siyang naiipon. Ang dahilan niya, kailangan niya makisama sa office mates niya, kain sa mamahalin kahit di naman niya afford. Kaya pag ganito ang partner mo, it's a sign na he is not financially responsible. Fifth, he has positive attitude and do his best in his job. A person with savings and investments can focus on his job. Ang layo sa taong kapos sa pera. Kapag kapos sa pera, negative ang tao. Di siya productive dahil iniisip niya kung kanino siya uutang at paano niya mababayaran mga utang niya. A financially responsible person is positive. Laging napopromote at kahit di malaki ang increase ng sweldo niya, he can still smile because he has investments that giving him passive income. Sixth, he is independent. May mga tao na kahit may trabaho na, umaasa pa din sa parents or sa kapatid na nasa abroad. Di siya marunong magtipid kasi papadala naman ako ni ate pambayad ng phone bill ko or may monthly allowance naman ako na ipapadala ni mama. A financially responsible person is independent. Paano pag nagkatuluyan kayo? Gusto mo bang aasa kayo sa parents niya or sa padala ng kapatid niya? Seventh, he knows where to invest his money. Maraming girls kinikilig pag ang nanliligaw sa kanya ay may kotse. Di po porket may kotse ay mayaman. Marami po nagkakotse dahil inutang lang. Ang partner mo ba mahilig ba magpalit ng model ng cellphone? Kahit kakabili lang niya ng cellphone? O baka naman may collection siya na di naman nagpo-produce ng income. Ang tawag sa mga to, non-producing assets. A financially responsible person invests on income-generating assets like mutual funds. He invests on things that will grow his savings and investments. 8. He knows the value of time. A financially responsible person don't waste time. Kaya kung addicted to games ang partner mo, it's a sign na he is not financially responsible. Time is money. Kaya to know if he is financially responsible, check his habits. His focus should be on high-value activities like reading books and learning new skills. 9. He prefers to use one credit card. The purpose of credit card is for convenience. Di po kailangan na maraming credit card. Marami kasi ang ginagawang emergency fund ang credit limit. Mali na ang thinking kung may credit limit na 100,000, pwede mong gastusin at ubusin ng 100,000. Kahit luho lang naman bibilhin mo. Lastly, he has long-term goals. Ang taong di nagbabudget, walang long-term goal. Iniisip niya lang yung present. Paano kung mawalan ka ng trabaho? A financially responsible person thinks of a better future. Kaya nag-iipon siya Alam niya ang importance ng emergency fund at investments. To summarize what we have discussed in this video, 10 signs to know if your partner is financially responsible. First, he doesn't withdraw on payday. Second, he is interested to learn how money works. Third, he is not an impulsive buyer. Fourth, he knows how to say no to his friends. Fifth, he has positive attitude and do his best in his job. Sixth, he is independent. Seventh, he knows where to invest his money. Eighth, he knows the value of time. Ninth, he prefers to use one credit card. Lastly, he has long-term goals. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. Here is my final message. To attract the right person, you have to be the right person first. Meaning, if you're looking for a financially responsible partner, you have to be financially responsible first. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.